Let's get this match started. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
Welcome back to Autonomous here in St. Louis. First scores onto that reef coming from 1706 Ratchet Rockers. Blue Alliance quickly responding with a score up on L4 from the Blue Grease Crew. Both of those are worth 7 points to their respective alliances. Drivers now taking control for the tele-operated period. Blue Grease Crew for that Blue Alliance looking to continue their autonomous scoring work, lining up with that Coral on L4, but not quite getting it lined up. They have plenty of time to keep scoring, though, as we have the whole match ahead of us. 2506 Saber Robotics, they've got an algae in their manipulator. They line up with that processor, look to drop it off and have it roll in. That's 6 points to your Blue Alliance. Then 4 to Red for this human player's shot, which does go in. 4 points indeed to that Red Alliance. Looking back over to Red, 4330 Rambunction, lining up with that Coral Station, retrieving a Coral, placing it into their manipulator, making their way over to the reef, lining up to score, having a bit of trouble getting it in though as the Coral falls to the floor. 1329, that's Vipers, lined up with a Coral Station for themselves on that Red Alliance. They retrieve a Coral and take it over to that reef, lining up to possibly score it, which they will on L2. That's 3 points to your Red Alliance. Minute 10 to go as teams continue working 75 to 41 for the Red Alliance. Saber Robotics on blue, lining up with that net, scoring an algae successfully, which is 4 points to that Blue Alliance. Also on the Blue Alliance, Blue Grease Crew lined up on L4. They successfully get a Coral scored up there. That's their 5th for this match, each of those being 5 points. They're now trying to build up L3 as they keep scoring. That's a 4-point score for your Blue Alliance. 1329 Vipers scoring that Coral for their own alliance. Both alliances seem to be prioritizing Coral cycling predominantly, but also a decent amount of algae for both of them. Under 30 seconds to go in this match. Ratchet Rockers goes up and scores a Coral on L4. That's going to be 5 points to the Red Alliance. With the sonar ping, we are in the end game. Robots looking to get off the ground. Whole Blue Alliance is in their zone. Saber Robotics in the air. Ratchet Rockers for Red looking to join them. Blue Grease Crew going up for Blue. We have 3 robots in the air as time expires. It's going to the Red Alliance with a score of 120 to 103. Red Alliance taking home all 6 ranking points in the process for their auto movement, Coral scoring, and endgame scoring. Blue Alliance